Welcome to Charts from the Media. It is October 6th, and we are going to take a look at 3 charts of Advanced Micro Devices, AMD. We'll be taking an investor's view, not a day trader's view. This stock has had congestion since mid-September, and it looks that a break of the support or resistance lines can be an entry or exit point. The charts that we will be looking at are number 1, a Renko chart. This type of chart is time independent. It's good with helping identify trends and the trend direction. The next will be a weekly chart with support and resistance lines, and then the next will be a daily chart. The first chart we're going to be looking at is a Renko chart. This type of chart was actually popularized by Steve Nissan, who is the author of Beyond Candlesticks. You're going to be looking at the bricks and the trends that they're going in. So it helps identify what trend the stock is going in. So here, strong uptrend, retracement, strong uptrend, downtrend. We're still in this uptrend here at this point. You'll see a lot of volume here on this brick. That is that congestion brick that we've had during this past couple weeks. The next chart is a weekly chart going back to 2009. I wanted to show this chart to show the strength of these support lines here. So here's the support down here, right about 325. It goes back, was touched a couple times. And then if we look at that resistance line right at $4, that has been used in the past as resistance and support as well. And it does show some congestion around that area. Now here's the daily chart from April of this year. Quite a few things to look at. What I want to note though first is last week on Mad Money, the host said that this stock can go to $5. I actually don't disagree that it can. Let's look why though. Usually you will see a bounce after a call like that, but so far it's trading in a range. So here's this range here. You can use the horizontal support and resistance lines for entry and exit points. So down here below 371 or right there above $4. If you don't want to jump into this stock options are available on AMD if you don't want to own the stock itself. Now let's look at what's been going on here since early September. So September, some really strong candlesticks up, and then we've had congestion here. So which way do you think it will break out? The oscillators are not giving us much indication. They're fairly neutral at this time. However, we had this strong run up, a lot of congestion, and that Renko chart still shows the trend is going upward. If we had a break of $4, especially on high volume, that would be very bullish. Could it go to 5? I don't see why it couldn't. And where would your stop loss be? Right there below 370. For a longer hold on this stock, going back to that weekly chart and seeing here on the daily chart, that 325 level could be used as a pretty good support, and that's also where the 200-day moving average is at this time. A $4 move to $5 would be 25% on this stock. Can it do it? Looks like it can. So something to keep an eye on. Thanks for watching. Visit chartsfromthemedia.com for definitions, learning tools, videos, and more.